In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot Privado VPN app. If you are experiencing any errors with this app, maybe it can't connect to VPN, it is too slow, or your app keeps on crashing, just follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. But first, we need to access the app info page. So to access this VPN app info page, just long press on your app and you should see app info. If you tap on it, here you will access Privado VPN app information page. In the first place, we need to force stop the app to prevent any background activities that might be hindering the perfect performance of this app. Then we need to clear data by tapping on clear data here and choose clear cache and finally OK. Once you are done with this, you need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, now your app should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still experience any challenge with this app, you need to go back to app info page and now go to clear all data here. For this, you have to note that you'll be logged out and therefore log in afresh for you to start using your app. However, if that doesn't solve your problem, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and then search for the app and find out if we have any update. From here, update your app to the latest version to fix any issues related to your app. But should this not work, more especially if your app keeps on crashing, for that you'll need to uninstall the app and install it afresh. By doing so, you'll be able to clear any bugs that might be associated with this app. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Privado VPN app. Let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.